Hi guys, I'm so happy you're here. Today I drew a simple mushroom. Let's see how I made it.
Color coded just to keep me sane. My world is finally
I really love the shape of mushroom, so I decided to draw one day.
escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow.
I tried to keep the sketch feeling in my drawing, even with a bit of coloring. If you also like drawing, you can try this idea too.
Getting harder to stay in control, but perfection is my only goal. Have to fight it 'cause I won't go back. I'd rather see the whole world go back to black. But then I'm blinded by this light from nowhere. This blue planet with life and an atmosphere. I look closer and I can't believe what I'm seeing down there is me. What if it's me looking down on me? The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity.